find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. We got an awesome one coming for you today. Now, if you've been around the channel any length of time, you know that I'm a big Ruger fan, and I've really wanted to get into the 5.7x28. I haven't jumped into that yet, but today let's check out the Ruger LC Carbine chambered in 5.7x28. It takes the standard Ruger 5.7 magazines, 20 rounds. Whoops, excuse me, 20 rounds there, plus one in the chamber, and we have a aluminum alloy receiver here, type 3 hard coat anodized finish. It utilizes the same controls. Let me show you that. That's why I have this 5.7 here out, the Ruger 5.7, the regular pistol. You have the safety and fire lever there, and if you'll notice here, you have the same lever, and that lever is ambidextrous. Now the slide catch here is engaged now, but it's approximately in the same place as the Ruger 5.7 slide catch. So you're getting a lot of the similarities, and even if you take a look at the grip here, you notice that grip is, I would say it's identical if they were the same color. What you think? Same trigger, the mag release here. Now on here, on this one, the mag release is a lever instead of the button on this one. But they do include a button that you can change out, and also you can change it out to the other side if you would like, if you're left-handed or just would prefer it to be on that side. That's up to you. The bolt, this is a non-reciprocating bolt, and the lever or the handle on the bolt here can be swapped over to the other side just with a few Allen wrenches. It already has a slide in it there for that bolt, or the bolt handle. Now this is a pretty compact little rifle. Now to aid in that, or to accomplish that, Ruger has done what they call a bolt over bore design, which if the bolt is here, you can't pick it up on camera, I do apologize for that, but if you look, the bolt is here, and if you follow that line, the bore is down in this area. So you have the bolt over bore design, they call it. It has a folding stock here. You got the little button to do it, and you kind of pick it up to bring it back. This can be changed from left folding or right folding, depending on which hand you are, which side you prefer it on. Now this, if you look at this, this is not a standard buffer tube type setup, but it is standard buffer tube dimensions, so it will accept any other AR style stocks that you want to put on here if you don't like this stock. And also you can take it off. It's got a Picatinny rail here. You can take this stock off completely and change it out for any of your favorite folding stocks, you know, skeleton eyes or anything of that nature. Oh, the stock here, it adjusts, and it adjusts from a 12.5 to a, 12.5 to 14.5 length of pull. Full Picatinny rail across the top. Comes with these Ruger quick deploy sights, which is, you know, your open sights, but you have plenty of rail to install any kind of optics or anything like that, lights. Then on here, on the side, on the 3 o'clock position and 6 o'clock position and the 9 o'clock position of the fore end here, you have M-lock slots. So you're able to add any of your M-lock accessories that you want to put on there. The overall length is 28.7 inches collapsed with a 30.6 opened up there. It has the threaded barrel, and that's threaded in half by 28. So that's you know, very popular thread. If you don't know, that's it's got a fluted barrel to help lighten it up. I don't know if you can see the flutes in there. Okay. The barrel is 16.25 inches. It's a hard-coated, nitride finished steel barrel. Let me get all that out. It has a 1-in-9 right-hand twist to stabilize the 5.7 by 28. And it weighs 5.9 pounds, so it's a really light rifle in itself, or carbine. It's carbine length, being the 16.25 length barrel. It has QD sockets that I didn't mention. It also has those QD sockets, and it also comes in the box with another M-lock QD socket, so if you wanted to add one up in this area. Let me read something that Ruger says about the trigger. It utilizes Ruger's safe, reliable, and proven secure action fire control system that combines a protected internal hammer with a blade safety trigger. The trigger has a short, smooth pull, clean break, and positive reset. Safety features include a 1911 style ambidextrous safety, which we already talked about, integrated trigger safety, lightweight firing pin, neutrally balanced sear with significant engagement and strong spring tension, and a hammer catch to prevent the hammer from contacting the firing pin unless the trigger is pulled. Okay, that's a mouthful there. So it also, I mentioned that it, you know, this is a magazine that come out of this, you know, 5.7. Takes the standard magazines, so they, you know, interchange totally. There's no, yeah. So you need to go ahead and pick you up. It looks like, if you don't have one of the Ruger 5.7s, and the carbine, LC Carbine, the light compact carbine to go along with it in 5.7 by 28. Real quick, we'll just show you the trigger. It's empty, and we'll drop the magazine just so we're super safe there. All right, here we go. Got that trigger safety there as well. Almost breaks at 90 degrees, looks like. We'll hold that, reset it. Let's hear if we can hear the reset. Yep. It's low. It's hard to hear, but we can hear that reset. Let's do that again. That's trigger and reset. Okay. All right. Hope you enjoyed this tabletop review. I have. I'm gonna have to wipe some drool off this thing before I put it back in the cabinet over there, because, well, both of them, because I've been eyeing this for a while, and then they come out with this on me. So I don't know what I'm gonna have to do about that, but I'm gonna have to get a hold of them, I guess. Take one home with me. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this tabletop review. And I want you to come back and see us in all 4 Mississippi Thunder. Remember, for I have learned to be content in every circumstance. Go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, share this, and come back and see us in all 4 Mississippi Thunder. God bless you, and God bless America.